Okay, welcome back to another episode of Education by Spencer. Today we will be trying to figure out improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now we'll need this tool or this strategy in order to locate numbers on a number line. So today we'll be using the top dog, bottom dog strategy. Okay, now we have an improper fraction of 9/2. So our first step is to use the top dog, bottom dog strategy. The top dog is in the house. That means that the numerator goes under the quotient and becomes your dividend. And what that means is your top dog goes in the house. Your top dog is your numerator. This numerator will now be placed up underneath the quotient as your dividend. And yes, we're using a lot of mathematical vocabulary. All right, now the next one. The bottom dog goes on the outside of the house. The denominator becomes your divisor. And what do we mean by that? 2 is our denominator. 2 will now become our divisor. And if you notice, our divisor and the denominator stays the same. Nothing changes. Now, all we simply do is divide the numerator, the top dog, by the denominator, the bottom dog. And this is simply 9 being divided by 2. The divisor is the denominator and it stays the same. And once again, our numerator becomes our dividend. Now, when we do this, our divisor still remains as our denominator, because we're going to set this back up as a fraction. Our quotient becomes our whole number or our mixed number. And our numerator will simply be the remainder. We'll just simply move our remainder to the numerator position. Now, what does that look like? What it looked like is our quotient will become our whole number, which will form the mixed number. So our quotient now is going to make the whole number and our mixed number, which will be 3. Our numerator is our remainder, which is 1, and our denominator remains the same throughout the whole problem. Okay, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you at the next problem. Y'all, let's have a great day. Keep moving. Let's go.